The lady from Uncle. International affair. The lady.
Hi, today I want to take a second look at the changes under the new interface for YouTube. Now let's have a look at this one. This one is the one that we looked at before. It's basically create a video or post, so plus camera makes obvious sense. This nice little addition here, the YouTube apps. Now you actually cycle through these ones. The one that I think is most, for me, is most relevant is actually Creator Academy and YouTube for Artists as well. But basically all the YouTube apps are now in one place and easily accessible. Now another new addition is this one here, Messages, and essentially it is a new way of sharing. So it's similar to the bell that we used to have, but interestingly enough, we can actually it's more like a live chat that actually doesn't necessarily have to take you to Google Plus. It is actually rooted in YouTube itself, and it's very similar if you're aware, if you're a Facebook user, this might actually look quite familiar. So that's quite nice. Now, the one that actually troubles me the most, because it wasn't announced as far as I'm aware, is the fact that, again, this drop-down menu already looks very different, and YouTube settings, which used to be at the top near Creator Studio, is now down here, and it's just called Settings. But the rather important advanced link has gone. It's gone from this location and it's been moved to the left-hand side to this point here. So everything remains the same except the advanced settings, or what used to be called just advanced, has been moved to the left-hand margin. So this is this drop-down menu here that you need to use in order to get to the same place. And again, some changes that are being advised here. Activity feed will be discontinued soon. So this is basically a quick look at some of the changes that have taken place in the new interface, and all in all, I think it's a vast improvement. Thank you for listening, and goodbye.